I chose to be an AHEC Scholar because I wanted to broaden my understanding of healthcare before I applied to medical school and started my journey as a physician.
I got my geriatric resource certificate through the program. I got to participate in a crisis de-escalation training through the program.
I'm gaining that well-rounded knowledge of different perspectives in the medical field, how to approach different situations.
I've learned so much about public health, about policy, about just general medical history.
This is definitely an experience to open your minds to other people's perspectives and how you have to take care of patients.
The Northeast Ohio AHEC Scholars Program has a unique opportunity for a select group of students enrolled in the last 2 years of a healthcare discipline curriculum. The program is designed as a supplement to the students' existing health professionals program, exposing them to an interprofessional, team-based education.
I chose to be an AHEC Scholar because I felt I needed a more in-depth look as to what I wanted to become, and I think it has provided a good chance for me to see that.
It definitely teaches you how to work with different healthcare professions, because I feel like a lot of people don't know that it's not just doctors and nurses that are working together, it's social workers, it's maybe that person's therapist. There's a lot of healthcare professions that work together to treat the patient, so those interprofessional skills really do set you above and put you ahead of other students when you get to the field.
I feel like this program really diversifies my perspective to understand many different problems, even if it's the migrant centers up the street, things like that I never heard of, so hopefully one day I can hopefully try to solve it.
AHEC Scholars receive specialized training as well as community experiences. They cover a lot of ground, learning everything from the social determinants of health and patient-centered care to team-based healthcare and the many factors affecting underserved communities' access to care.
I chose to become an AHEC Scholar just because AHEC's mission is to provide outreach and care to many underrepresented populations and communities in the Northeast Ohio area. And as I want to beyond medicine, be an advocate for those communities in receiving quality access to healthcare, I felt that the AHEC Scholars Program would be a great stepping stone to be involved in those communities and just see what they go through and really just receive that hands-on experience that is really unparalleled in a lot of other places.
I am learning to open up my mind specifically more to not just the clinical aspect of healthcare, but also to be able to listen to other individuals, to be able to understand everybody's point of view and perspective and where they may be coming from and the reasons that they're doing the things that they do.
The extensive programming encompasses a flexible schedule of activities designed to engage students in hands-on experiences, didactic, and interactions with practicing health professionals.
It's definitely a great opportunity for you to gain exposure in the medical field and learning about specific issues. Like, for example, I remember we worked with seniors in the community. We got to help them with health literacy, learning how to access computers and networking with their doctors and making sure that they get their prescriptions on time and that kind of stuff. So it was really fun.
I think it's just been such a blessing, like I said, to hear from other professionals and people doing good work out in the community about how we can solve problems, how we can better attune to the needs of the people. Just learned a lot about becoming a better provider.
I knew that there were going to be a lot of interesting hands-on opportunities involved with this program. I was able to learn how to suture, which I know that I wouldn't have gotten to have in a normal classroom setting.
Being an AHEC Scholar puts you ahead of the crowd, exposing you to a wealth of experiences and information. You'll receive an AHEC certificate indicating you've completed the national program and the knowledge that what you've learned will make you a better healthcare provider.
Any student that's looking to have a career in healthcare should definitely strongly consider entering the AHEC Scholars Program. Not only is it an amazing networking opportunity, but it gives you a level of knowledge that you would not get inside of any college course.
What I'm learning and gaining from this program is just how to be a community player and a community advocate.
Each different training, each different get-together, we learn different aspects of healthcare.
What I've gained from being an AHEC Scholar has definitely been the underground information that I would never have known otherwise.
The program facilitates the experiences you need to have to become a professional and apply to the schools that you need to become the professional you want to be.